Sage Intacct can be notoriously stubborn when it comes to managing, editing, deleting, reversing, anything like that. Any changes to a paid transaction, Sage Intacct doesn't really let you do it. You have to go through a few hoops to make it happen. And that's done for auditing reasons, but it can be kind of difficult if you're trying to enter just regular transactions and you make a simple mistake, you want to make a change. It can be kind of difficult. So today we're going to talk about how to handle a bill that was paid incorrectly. How do you reverse or delete a paid bill in Sage Intacct? So let's start by creating a bill. We'll click on the add button here. We'll change the date to something earlier in the month. Let's go with July 6th. Let's choose our vendor. Our vendor will be the Gwinnett County Tax Commissioner. Let's give it a bill number. All right. And now let's set the terms. It'll be net 30. We will enter our expense account. For us, it's going to be state and local taxes. Enter the amount. The amount is going to be $850. And because this is a multi-entity setup, we're going to choose an entity. We have to choose an entity when you're doing multi-entity setups. And now our bill is ready to go. Up here, click on post, and the bill has been created. So here's our tax bill for Gwinnett County, $850. We'll click on pay to make payment against it. Now you see the payment date here automatically defaults to today's date. But let's say we overlook it and we're going to go ahead and pay this bill on July 29th. Click on pay now. And now the payment has been made, but now we realize that we paid this bill on the wrong date. So now you see there's no payment button here. The bill has been paid. You can click on reverse. We'll choose July 6th, put in our memo, submit. Is going to give us an error. Reversal is not valid because the transaction has payments made against it. So let's close that out. We can't do that one. Let's go to posted payments. Posted payments here. This is a list of all of your payments made in Sage Intacct. Let's look for the Gwinnett County payment. There it is right there. Gwinnett County Tax Commissioner, $850, dated July 29th. Click on the link. See if there's any options here. No options to reverse. Nothing to reverse. No options to delete. Nothing up here. This payment cannot be changed from here. So the way you will have to handle this is through cash management. You'll have to go through the bank account that the payment was made from. So go to the cash management module. Over to the right under reports, click on registers, click on the bank. We'll just use this month. This is the bank that we use, Bank of America West End. Let's click on view. And there's our Gwinnett County payment right there, $850 and a void link. So we'll click on void. We will void this payment on the day that it was made. It was made on the 29th. We're going to void it on the 29th. We can add a memo in here. Now this section right here is very important. A lot of people make mistakes here. They automatically check this box, but they may not want to. If you check this box, you are now going to reverse the bill that was associated with it. So depending on your situation, you might want to do that. If you want to reverse the payment and the bill, then yes, check this box, enter the date, and click on submit, and all is good. But in certain situations, that might not be what you want to do. Perhaps you only want to reverse the payment, but keep the bill open for payment. In our situation, we put in the wrong date. We don't want to necessarily change the bill itself. We want to change the date that it was paid. We're not going to reverse the bill, so we're just going to click on submit. And now we see that the Gwinnett County Tax Commissioner has been voided. Well, the payment has been voided. The tax commissioner still very much exists. All right, so let's go back to our accounts payable, go to our bills list, and now we see the Gwinnett County tax bill has a pay link again. $850. So now let's go ahead and pay it again, but this time we'll put in the correct date it was paid, and then pay now, and all taken care of. So that's how you reverse a paid bill in Sage Intacct. Go through cash management and reverse the payment in cash management, and the bill will be payable again or reversible again depending on your situation. If you have any questions or if you're dealing with any sticky situations of your own, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to take a look and perhaps make a video on them. Until next time, thank you for watching.